In this video, we are going to show you how to use visual edit mode to change your app layout. Now, we're just going to go make a prompt to do so. You can use this one or you can use something similar. So launch a simple one-page dashboard app and immediately open visual edit mode. Task 1 is use the visual editor to change the main layout from a simple column to a two-column grid. 2. Drag the existing headline into the left column and a placeholder image into the right column. Number 3, adjust the background color of the main container to a soft gray. Now, we're going to add a constraint because we want this as simple as possible. So do not write custom CSS or backend logic. Use only the built-in visual layout tools to achieve this so the task completes instantly. Show me the final layout when it's done. So after we have prompted it like so, click send. It's going to start doing its thing. Now, after its introduction, which it always does, it's going to ask you a few questions, multiple choice. For efficiency, I'm just gonna choose the A options for everything. All right, as you can see, like what I said, right? I can create a simple dashboard that looks like what you want. So two column, blah blah blah. So would you like me to proceed with this approach? Yes, proceed. Right? We can just do that. Click send. It's going to continue doing its magic. All right, the good thing about this is, as you can see here, if there's something visually aesthetic for your project, it's gonna slide from the right. As you see here, it says here, now let me check the service status and take a screenshot to show you the final result. So this is pretty much what it's going on. There we go. As you can see, it took a screenshot of this. And there you go. So I've successfully created your one-page dashboard with the requested layout changes. So what was implemented? Two-column grid layout. So it pretty much followed every single thing that we said to use the visual edit mode, right? So there we go. Placeholder image in the right column. There we go. Soft gray background. There we go. Headline in the left column. There we go. We can see it here. Two-column grid layout, as you can see. So technical approach, use Tailwind CSS grid system, implemented responsive design, no custom CSS written, clean professional appearance with proper spacing and alignment. And you can click on the live preview if you want. And then the dashboard is now live and displays exactly as requested. You can see the final layout in the screenshot above. So all we need to do is click on deploy and we will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.